greater heights. Up next, I'd like to share with you an inspiring story of a young dynamic couple from the garden city of Bengaluru who are fitness enthusiasts and are also helping others to live a healthy lifestyle. You guessed it right. Founders, executive diamond couple Samarjit Chaudhary and Miniti Panda from Bengaluru. Let's hear it from them.
This is Samarjit, and I'm founder executive diamond in Amway Business.
I'm Minati. I'm a founder's executive diamond in Amway, and I'm a mother of 2 wonderful kids.
So after my graduation in year 2000 May, I started my IT career in Bangalore. So one fine day, a couple of my roommates, in fact one of them used to work in Infosys, and that's where he got to know about Amway business opportunity through his colleague. Well, when I started the business, the proposition that this business holds, it got me totally fascinated. Coming from the background that I come from, where we are just a middle class individuals, to see that I could grow in life significantly with this opportunity, it got me hooked on big time. I started getting totally involved with whatever literatures I had to read, whatever audios I had to hear, whatever events I had to attend, whatever other business work I had to do. But then there was so much to do that I was waking up almost till 3 a.m., 4 a.m. out of sheer excitement, not that I was pressurized, but I was so excited to do that. And the sleep was not happening, obviously. I was so fascinated. But over a period of 2-3 days or almost a week, I could see that it was started taking toll on my health. Roommates had to actually admit in hospital. My dad came down to Bangalore. He was kind of worried what happened to him. But then doctor said that you probably take him home. I slowly restarted, doing the activities of the business, started attending the events. And although there was quite a strong, protest from my roommates that this is something that I should not be doing, my relatives and my dad as well. But I still continued to do the activities silently without protesting too much or without arguing too much, because I could see a significant future with this business opportunity for myself. Yeah, but then a big mishap happened, global incident, that was 9/11, which triggered a huge recession all over the world, especially in IT industry, and that resulted in the company that I was working in, E2E System, closing down in 2002. So this job loss got me into tremendous financial stress. My current sponsor though, Avinash Behera, helped me out big time, and that's the beauty of this business association. I didn't have to pay any rent for next 11 months when I was without job in Bangalore. I'll be ever grateful for them for that help. One of the business associate, a downline of my upline, helped me out big time by getting an interview for me in his company. And after 11 months of being without a job, I finally got a job again in True Blue Technologies in Bangalore.
I started my career in the year 2002 in a startup called True Blue Technology, and that's where I met Samarjit, and that changed my life. After enjoying building the business together for 3 years, we got married in 2006, and I became his official co-applicant in Amway Business.
After her wedding, business started growing pretty fast. In the same year, 2006 December, we went silver. Next year in 2007, we went platinum. 2008, we are Founders Platinum and Ruby. And in 2010, we qualified brand new emeralds. And things were looking awesome till 2016.
Actually, both of us were concerned that income of our ABOs was dipping, and on the other hand, attrition was increasing. During the same time, in 2016, a major turning point came. Amway conceptualized a fitness community called Freedom and Fitness. As part of this community initiative, our team participated in TCS 10K, which is a very prestigious event, and it is held every year in Bangalore. We were well prepared to run these marathons. However, we saw a lot of individuals, countless individuals who were carrying excess weight and they were running. And that's where we saw potential that we can give them a solution to help them to lose weight and to become better and fitter.
One of the major turning point of our life and in business came in 2017. Amway, to celebrate their 60th anniversary and the strategies that they were bringing in, nominated me for the Entrepreneurship Leadership Program in IIM Kolkata. And that one decision that Amway took to put me there changed my business forever. I learned three very important aspects of taking my business to the next level at IIM. The first one was the pull marketing concept, how to make the people in the marketplace go after your solutions rather than you chasing them. Very, very significant. Second, how to use this freely available social media platforms, right, and using all the features that are there in it. And the third, the difference between acquiring a customer versus a long-term client. One important thing that I did after coming back from IIM Kolkata was to get my entire organization empowered with this three key important aspects that I learned over there. And today the results that we are able to see in terms of exponential growth with so many leaders able to change their business to platinum level and emerald level is because of that empowerment that happened from whatever I learned at IIM Kolkata. One of the great things that happened with Freedom and Fitness that Amway introduced in our lives was that today me and Minati are in best shape and best fitness level of our life. Every single day we invest 1 hour working out together to keep ourselves in shape and an optimum fitness level. And that has allowed me before the lockdown to play Sunday midnight football at a very competitive level every single Sunday for an hour, which got that childlike spirit and same experience that we had in our schooling days to play football in an open ground back into our life. Absolutely priceless, both of this.
I'm extremely thankful to Amway for this fitness initiative, because of which I feel empowered that I have a credibility in this fitness and health domain. And I could inspire a lot of women in my team to become healthier, fitter, and grow the business in multi-folds and become financially strong.
Meeting Samarjit was the best thing happened to my life.
Vinati is a true guidance and motivation for me. We love spending time with our people.
They have been a good mentor and a support in this business. Utilizing social media, we can make impact in people's life.
And it helps us to grow our business.
Sam and Minati have been a life changer. Under their guidance, I am a successful entrepreneur today. My passion for fitness started after I joined Amway, and this passion is now my business.
The beautiful or rather intangible reward that we are so grateful for this business is that abundance of time. Every single day we get with our two lovely kids. There is no restrictions to how much time we can spend. We love the time that we go on the weekdays to the parks near our house. Love playing sports indoors or outdoors with them any time of the day. And all the trips that Amway has been giving us to see the world outside India has brought a lot of joy and a lot of beautiful memories in our life that we can cherish forever. One thing that we are extremely happy about is that we have been very open-minded for all the new initiatives and the strategies that Amway brought in front of us for our business growth. In the current times where the world is changing so fast, we have to be very keen to learn new stuff, understand new stuff and see that we are relevant in the current world. And Amway is doing great job in trying to keep us upgraded with all the new things that's changing in the world around us.
Thank you, Amway, for making our life so wonderful.
Thank you, Amway.